Hello, Namaste. I am in Visakhapatnam today for my company work. Uh, Now I did some videos, some pranayam videos I will do. Sitkari, Sitli Sitkari, Sitkari fast. Today is 15th August 2021, day of independence. But the sea beach is closed due to a weekend, Sunday. So I am unable to go to sea beach. However, today I will visit Narasimha temple, Simanchalam. Visakhapatnam is a seashore city, is a beautiful city. Doing yoga in a hotel is very difficult, but anyhow I continue my practice for 1 hour, really twice a day, morning and evening should be done. I got some cough and headache problem. I took some tablets, but after taking powerful tablets, you must do yoga again, because taking tablets, what happens, the tablets are so powerful that they stop your natural activities, naturally energy creating capacity in your body, because our body is always creating natural energy. So once you are adapted to medicine, what happens? Medicine has its own method of creating, stopping the disease. Okay, it stops all the activities, whether it is energy creating activities or pain creating activities. So to reactivate your energy creating activities, you must do yoga. I got some good tablets. They were very effective enough, but by the way, I lost control. I lost the process of naturally energy creating capacity. So again, what I am doing, I am doing yoga, so that I can uh, I can revitalize my energy creating capacity of my natural body. I am staying in Apan Mudra, as I have already told. This is water energy, this is earth energy, this is sky energy, this is air energy, and this is fire energy. If you join the tips like this, then water energy prevails over fire energy. And if you make the little finger down and the thumb over it, then fire energy prevails over your body. So when you are suffering from cold, you can do like this. Okay, for 20 minutes a day, then cold can be, cough type disease can be cured. But I was so busy doing this mudra, even though I sat for a long period over during my duty, but I forget to do this. Okay, if I do this, to some extent medicine requirement will be reduced. Okay. Now I am saying in अपान वायु मुद्रा, this is good for heart. हृदय मुद्रा भी बोलते हैं. The thumb finger at the down of my the index finger down of my thumb, and the thumb tips are joined with middle and ring fingers. Okay. My mind on breathing, मुंह बंद लगा रहता है, and I am trying to stay in अपान वायु मुद्रा as much as possible. I am trying to see a divine light in my heart, heartfulness meditation. These things are to be done simultaneously. Today, because Narasimha Swami is a symbol of a lion, I will do Simhasana. Okay. I am doing one more round of Shitkari Sitli. Now we do Simhasana. Simhasana, your hands has to be like this, like a lion. You have to align yourself up forward, bend yourself forward. You have to take out your tongue. You have to look at your eyebrow point. Last pranayam, Murcha pranayam, I do. Drawing Omkar at your forehead. This is good for sleeping. Even when I could not sleep last night, I didn't do this, but this could be very helpful for sleeping. Unfortunate. Second round of Murcha pranayam. Rano jawa apa aja? We have 5 airs: प्राण वायु, अपान वायु एक्सक्रेशन प्रोसेस, समान वायु, उड़ान वायु और व्यान वायु. उड़ान वायु speaks, helps you to speak, and व्यान वायु व्यान air entire body. So these are the 5 airs. Prana means life energies in our body. There are 15 type of airs, but we are prominently dealing with 5 types of airs. So these postures are helpful to have more control over these airs. Okay, so prana jaya, first I did this posture. Now I am doing apana vayu, the excretion air. So 21 times breath in, breath out. Breathe in, hold it for some time, then slowly breathe out and stay in, breathe out, hold for some more time. Second round. Now, विपरीत करनी. Relax. Release stress from all your body. Release stress from all your body. Nisprada Bhavasana, no activity. This is a wonderful thing. Even severe headache could have been cured, but I have to take medicine. But this definitely activates the pranic energy flow. Don't block any pranic energy flow in your body. Keep mind on breathing. Release all the stress. थैंक यू, प्रणाम, नमस्ते। कोई गलती है तो माफ़ करना। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे अगस्त 15, 2021।